Where's my ring, Fabio? Where's Fabio? It's your turn to propose. Fabio.
The only ring you're gonna get from me is on your rings.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas. We are heading to Toronto Distillery District where the Christmas market is.
So every year they set up this beautiful Christmas market at the Distillery District here in Toronto, and it's so beautiful. They have usually a lot of lights and sculptures with lights, nice Christmas tree, live music.
I didn't hear him. He was yelling from across the street. I just did this. But yeah, so inside there's also a lot of shops. There's a lot of food, Christmassy food. This type
mulled
of things.
wine.
Yes, mulled wine. Oh,
my
we're gonna have
gosh,
mulled wine.
so delicious.
That's what we always have every single year, and we're always drunk every single year at the market. This kind of things remind me of like those Christmas market in European countries like Germany, Vienna.
Yeah, that's very
I
true.
think this kind of thing is big for them, but Toronto is nice to have it every year as well.
Because this year is not as cold as the previous years, it's so nice. It's gonna be nice to walk around. Last year it was actually raining, and the previous year it was snowing.
Yes.
So this year we've been blessed with this weather. It's
Nice
10
weather.
degrees here in Toronto. It's the perfect time to shop for Christmas.
Well, we're not shopping because we're broke because we're traveling next year, but yeah, we're just gonna explore. And also, we made sure to come on a weekday because it's not so busy on a weekday. If you go on a weekend, that's everybody's go-to things to do every
There's
weekend.
a huge lineup.
Line up
on the weekend.
around the block.
So if you're from Toronto, you should definitely go
Yes.
during the week. Okay, let's pull out.
So as you can see, it's just right in front of us right now.
So usually during the weekends you have to pay to get in, but today apparently it's free. So double win.
So pretty here, guys.
It's so beautiful here, guys. So actually it's a lot less crowded than usual because usually we came on the weekend in the previous years, and it's so nice because you can walk around. There's no crazy lineups and the stores are so beautiful.
So we just lined up to take a photo with the nice Christmas tree over there. What I like about the place is even though there's a lineup, everybody else is so respectful about who's in front, and every single spot there's a lineup. So
Yeah.
no chaos. So we're lining
No
up.
chaos whatsoever, which
I
is
know.
very nice. It makes you feel more relaxed and nice
No
Christmas
stress.
feeling. Nice Christmas feeling.
Mind you, it's been 10 minutes and we're still at the entrance. We haven't gone through inside the market yet because we keep on
'Cause
taking
it's so nice.
pictures.
So guys, we just realized it's only 29 days to Christmas. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. And this is so beautiful. Like now that it's getting darker, it's getting so nice because you see the lights a little bit more and all these little stands with all the gifts. It's so nice. So now guys, this is the best area, is where all the food markets are, which is amazing. Last time we had schnitzels or something like that, right?
Or chicken.
Or chicken schnitzel, it was so good.
How are you, Fabio?
Oh, I'm so relaxed. It's so Christmassy, guys. The only thing is missing is the snow, but I'm very happy it's missing.
It's missing.
Oh my gosh.
Planning to get hot chocolate now because Fabio doesn't want to drink mulled wine. And we might get some food, just snack, explore, and then after the explore again more. There's not much really happening. It's just lights, lots of fun. So I got 2 hot chocolate. This is shot of chocolate. This is not hot chocolate. It's real dark chocolate with cream and milk. So it's not fake chocolate. Oh my god.
It
Fabio.
smells delicious.
Fabio, it's real chocolate. It's very good.
It's like an espresso shot. It's perfect.
But it's a lot more than an espresso shot. Isn't it good? Isn't it good?
So tasty. Yeah, it's very creamy, very warm.
Oh my gosh. Where's my ring, Fabio? Where's Fabio? It's your turn to propose. Fabio.
The only ring you're gonna get from me is on your rings. Thank you guys for watching. It was a beautiful Christmas market, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.